Hello guys, it's Musha and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we are doing another cornrow tutorial. This time around I am showing you how I do my cornrows on hair that I blow dried without using any combs. I use the tension method, and if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comment section below. These are the products that I'm using to moisturize my hair prior to doing the cornrows. And yeah, I am also using Blue Magic, but that is a topic for another video. Let me know if you want to hear more about the Blue Magic that I'm using. So yeah, to get into it, I did do a pre-part section and then just dividing my hair, putting it away so that it's not in the way or distracting in any form. So I go in with my moisturizing cream. I think it's a moisturizing leave-in conditioner by Cream of Nature. I added that first, and then I followed up with my the green growth butter, and then I finished it with the Blue Magic was the last sealant that I used to moisturize my hair, making sure it's good. And if you're doing this, if your hair has been blow dried or stretched, once you add in anything that's got moisture in, you gotta work fast. You're gonna move fast because your hair will start to shrink up. And yeah guys, check out the growth. This is almost a year worth of growth since I dyed my hair. I dyed my hair in November 2019, and it's currently October 2020. So yeah, I just start off by braiding. Basically, I'm not sure if you can tell how I'm doing it, and it was kind of a struggle because I'm trying to stay clear from using combs and brushes. So to blow dry my hair, I did not really use a comb attachment or anything like that. I just detangled my hair with my fingers, washed it that way, and blow dried it that way without using any combs. Now, this is the struggle. I'm trying to avoid combs because I feel like it's thinning out my hair. My hair is already thin as it is, but I feel like that just rips out whatever hair that's left or hanging on. So I want to be as gentle with my hair as possible since I am on this growth journey. As you guys know who have been following me, if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and follow the journey. So look at that. I'm really struggling to get through the cornrow, like to just section my hair so that it's not tangled. But I think doing cornrows with hair that hasn't been fully detangled is asking for more trouble, because at this point I feel like I was causing even more stress on my hair just to get the cornrows done. So I feel like this is going to be the last time I'll be doing cornrows. I'm going to try a different method since I'm no longer going to be blow drying my hair with the comb attachment that I usually do, the Revlon 2-step blow dryer. I actually want to get rid of it. So yeah, I want to start using less tools on my hair and just use my fingers. So as you can see, we finally made it to the end of this cornrow, but it took a minute because my hair wasn't fully detangled and fully stretched. And so this is just me showing you that if you're going to do cornrows, make sure that your hair is fully stretched and fully no tangles, because it does help a lot. And if you want to see a video of where I've done cornrows with my hair fully stretched, you will see the results are very much different to this, and how quickly I was going through those cornrows. But in this video I'm kind of struggling, so I just wanted to show this side as well. Sometimes things don't always go as you planned, or they don't always work out, and you have to show the struggles as well. So sometimes you always just show the good part of doing hair, but this is the other side, the struggle part, especially if you do not detangle your hair. This is what's going to happen. So hopefully you guys can learn from my my mistakes not trying to do cornrows like this, because I figured it's not going to work anymore. I'm gonna have to do something else, like just single braids, single braids for my hair. That's the protective style I'll be doing. But these cornrows were literally a struggle. So yeah, and most of I start my cornrows in the middle, just because it helps me to get a clear line of where I'm going and which way I'm braiding. Because if you start on the other side and things just don't go right, so it's better if you're doing it yourself to start in the middle and then work your way on the other side. So practicing is what you need to be doing, especially if you can't really do cornrows. Like I say, I never shame anyone if they can't cornrow their own hair. That's like, not everyone had the privilege to learn how to do their hair. It's just that some of us were really motivated as kids to learn how to do our hair, and others, maybe they may have had other people to do that for them and they never felt the need to learn how to do it. But there's still time. You can still learn how to do it if you want to learn. You are here watching this video probably because you want to learn how to do it, so there's still time. Keep practicing and you will get the hang of it. You will eventually get the hang of it. For me, this has taken me time. I've been braiding hair ever since I can remember. So as you can see, I had to even just get rid of using the comb altogether, like that mini tooth comb. I used it just to try and make a clear part, but I couldn't use it to literally go through my hair with it. So yeah, as you can see, I had to just use my hands. It was literally a struggle. There was so many, well, not that many, but it was knotted, and this kind of hair, you don't deal with it like this when you're trying to do cornrows. It's not the best decision. It's better when you dealing with it in single form. So if I had to do mini braids, it wouldn't have been an issue, but because I was doing cornrows and they require grabbing hair after hair, as you see me doing here, so it was kind of a struggle, but we still went through it. I even got to a point where I was like, I just want to stop doing this and just think of another style that I'm gonna do. But I was like, we're not giving up. We don't give up here. We persevere. We continue. And we eventually got there at some point with this cornrowing situation. So yeah, guys. But yeah, getting me some strength in those arms, getting my daily workouts, because anyone who does hair, they know the struggle of having your arms up in the air for so long. And if you haven't noticed, I cut my finger, and I didn't have a proper plaster, so I had to make do, and that's why you see that big thing bulging on my finger. But it was really painful, so I had to put something on it so that it didn't get infected. So I'm gonna let you watch here a little bit, and then I'll come in again when I am ready to explain the next process. Okay, so we are finally done, and this is what the cornrows are looking like. Not the best that I've done ever, but it doesn't matter because I will be using wigs. I'll be wearing wigs to as a protective style. So moving on with my oil, it has a name. You guys will get to know about it very, very soon. That's my hair growth oil. Using that in my hair because obviously we are on a growth journey. So I'm using that growth oil on my scalp and then rubbing it in, just making sure my scalp is fully moisturized, without leaving any parts, and then focusing on my edges, which is like my struggle area, and just around the perimeter of my hairline. Just rubbing it in and giving myself a quick mini massage type of thing going on, if you can see there. That's basically what I'm doing, moisturizing and everything, and coating every strand, applying the oil everywhere. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.